What's going on, guys? Miranda Fitness here. I'm going to show you guys how to do a bicep curl with a single kettlebell. I'm going to show you the easier variation for a bicep curl. So first, you're going to make sure you pick up the kettlebell. I have a 40-pound kettlebell here. So you want to make sure you grab the kettlebell by the horns. This will be a hammer curl with a single kettlebell. So make sure you're in a nice neutral position, squeeze your glutes, core tight. And from here, let's go curling all the way up and down. Yep, that's it. Now the other variation, which this would be a little bit more advanced, if you know how to clean a kettlebell, what you want to do is just focus on the clean and then eccentric part of the motion so you can work on the bicep peaks. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do a dead clean. Now from here, focus just on the negative part of the bicep curl so you can work on those bicep peaks. So from here, I'm going to clean it again, nice and slow on the way down. Yep, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video and make sure you subscribe for more.